All right, so let's build some AI tools together. So this is AI White Labels. I believe this was released yesterday or the day before. Yes, this is a JVZoo product, but this I think you want to pay attention to. I've already built an app with it. It's actually pretty darn cool. And when I compare this to other apps like Pickaxe that was released on AppSumo months ago. This tool is just as good or better, so you definitely want to stay tuned and check this out. Okay, so there'll be a link below to go and actually pick this up during launch. I am getting this out a little bit late. The initial launch goes away at the end of the day today, I believe, and then the price rises. So if you do decide you want to go and pick this up, there'll be a link below to go and pick this up. Essentially, let's just jump right in. So this is the dashboard when you sign up. I've already created a piece of software over here already. We'll go take a look at it, and then we'll go and build a tool together. The first thing, there's going to be some things in here that I'm not going to go over. I'm going to really just show you the tool right away. The biggest part about building the tool. There's either dozens or even like 100 or so, hundreds of types of tools that you can actually create in here. And technically speaking, if it's simple AI content creation type tools, the sky's the limit. You can actually create anything using this tool. Now, this actually kind of excited me because we've now are living in a world where there's like lovable.dev and there is, bolt.new and several other tools that allow you to build software applications with no code and just basically with prompting, right? This one kind of gives you both levels of coding where there is a no code drag and drop builder, kind of show you that. And it kind of reminds me of Bubble, the no code kind of drag and drop building type software tool. And then also Lovable and Bolt, kind of merging all those together. And that's kind of what White Labels does. You'll see more about that when we dive in. First thing you have to do when you sign up is you have to set up an agency. So I set up an agency called David's Tools right here. I put a logo in right here. You have to create that before you can actually create any tools. Now, if you don't know what to create, you can go and explore AI tools, and this is where it starts getting exciting. There's like a million tools in here. You can look at we can go into marketing and look at this, community cold DM generator, SEO tips for my site, feedback AI, email subject line generator. You can see a newsletter generator, logo master, so it will handle images, voiceover generator, so you can actually create a voiceover, an AI voiceover tool, custom AI course maker. Maybe we'll create that in a minute, but you can keep scrolling over here and look at this 30-day Instagram content plan, 30-day LinkedIn content plan. I'd like to see like some type of Pinterest tool. I don't see a Pinterest tool in here, so maybe that's something that we would maybe create, right? Keyword Genius is the ultimate tool for generating a list of related keywords, VSL, Script Master. So I did something like that. I'm going to go show you that, and then we'll come back in here. But you can just see it just keeps going and going and going. There's content generation tools right over here. We can go through over here and look at newsletter generator, affiliate product review article right there, AI quality article writer, blog topic generator, persuasive blog post generator. There's a ton of tools inside of here. And then once you create a tool, you can either create a custom tool by clicking this button over here, or you can start off with a template over here, and then you can change it as well, but you can start off with a template. Once you create a software, you can go into My Tools and you'll see the one that you created. Let's go and take a look at what this actually, I'll show you the inside of this, but we'll go and take a look at what this looked like from the start. So we went over here, I created a little logo for it. It's called VSL Robot. Then we come over here and I actually put it on my website right over here. You can see what it looks like right over here as well, but you can actually host this very easily, pasting in the HTML code into your website. You can see this is hosted on LearnWire Pro. I am looking at how I'd be able to widen this. That's something that I wasn't able to figure out how to do, but widening this and making it look a little bit better on the screen. It does look a little bit better on just hosting on their website right over here. But you can see VSL Robot. What does this do? It's a marketing script generator. Fill out the forms below and let the robot create your VSL script. So we already have it filled out. So it's we're going to create a video sales letter script for for this actual tool, VSL Robot. So product function, this product automatically creates captivating new VSL letter sales letter scripts for marketers and product creators, target customer, affiliate marketers, course creators, YouTubers, tone of voice, third person. Let's go ahead and try first person right here. And then value proposition. So just push a button and have the robot create a professional video sales letter for you, saving you tons of time and money. And then you can select option right over here. I need to change this to select how many words you want. So that subheading right there needs changed. So we have 300, 500, and 800. Well, let's just select 500 this time. And then you can see right over here, even the button is branded to my logo right here. And then we're going to say generate right here. So it's going to go out there and generate. And on the back end, it actually has, open AI. It's using ChatGPT 4.0 in order to do this. It obviously, this did not create a 500 word script. So that's something I would need to look into. I'm not sure if the code is taking, how many words I'm specifying. It might not be connected, and I can talk more about that in a minute. But this did create a 100-word script right here. So we can go and look as a creator of VSL robot. So it did change it to first person tone of voice. So that's cool. I'm here to revolutionize your video sales letter script creation process. Imagine this, just push a button and voila. A professional captivating script is ready for you. No more wasting time or money on script writing. Let the robot do the work for you. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, course creator, or YouTuber, VSL Robot is your go-to solution for effortless script generation. Say goodbye to the stress of crafting scripts and hello to the ease of automation. Save time, save money, and most importantly, elevate your sales with VSL Robot. Try now and experience the power of automated scripts. So it actually did capture everything. Now you can go and copy this, right? And go do whatever you need to with that. Obviously, I do need to fix the amount of words right here. I don't think that that's like connected, but it did capture everything that we wanted to talk about. The target customer, the first person tone of voice, it did change, and I would say it did a pretty good job. We just needed a longer script created. So we can go back in here and let's go create another tool. So this is actually what it looks like. We can go and edit the tool. Let me go and just show you kind of what the inside of the software looks like. This is a very, very slick user interface right over here. This is kind of, it makes me laugh actually, because this is what you call like these guys could easily launch on AppSumo. They could easily go to Product Hunt. This is a great piece of software, and it is funny that JVZoo gets a bad rap, but this software, if you know what to do with it, can actually be. This is game-changing software right over here. Super slick user interface, and what you can do is over here, you actually, we're gonna create a custom app here in a minute, but and then you'll understand what the AI prompt is right over here. So it does put all that into the AI prompt, and then you have all these variables over here. So that's what these variables are right here on the forms, and then you have the system prompt that gets sent over to OpenAI right over here. So it has everything needed in the script right over here. And then you can say output, you can actually build image apps and so forth, HTML apps. But we have text, we have OpenAI right over here. Hopefully in the future, they'll be adding like Claude and other providers, LLM providers. I use ChatGPT 3.5 right here. We can go GPT-4, 4.0. So just select that. You can save this as a template. We can test this inside of the app right over here. So we can actually come over here and let's just go with, I'm going to select this. So this is the part where I think I have the connection wrong. We do have the variable right over here. And I word count a selection for the desired script length, 357 or 1000. I'm just going to go and select 500 again right over here, but you can drag and drop any of these layout elements over here as well, and really create a custom app for you. You can see that there's kind of some no code AI prompting over here that you can use over here. And then you can also use the drag and drop builder right over here. So we can just test this prompt real quick. And you can see that it is actually testing right over here. I just want to see if we changed it to GPT 4.0, if that makes a difference right now or not. But again, this part right over here, I'm just not sure if well, that will actually created a really nice one. So maybe it does matter which one you're actually selecting. So in a calm, authoritative tone, we just created this really nice script. And let's go and take a look. This actually looks really, really good. Now we can hover over, we can right click and we can go word counter plus, and now we got a 423 word script. So it actually did work that time. That is a really, really nice looking script right there. So there's other things. You can push the next button, or you can just go over here if you want to change the way that the design looks. Again, I'm going to reach out to the developers and see, hey, can we widen this and make it look better on our screen? They do have a lot of, when you come over here, a lot of the examples that they're using is kind of like this person right here. Like you can even use these as lead magnets. Get your free detailed horoscope today. You put in your email, a couple of different things, boom, and then it's going to email you what your horoscope is. Want more SEO traffic? Same thing that Neil Patel is doing right over here, and they're, they are right. Look at this: get a custom meal plan and fitness plan, 10x your health. So you can fill out your gender, your weight, age, goal right here, and then boom. And then you could put in here your email, and they could actually, email this plan to you. And now you have this amazing lead generation, lead magnet tool. So even if you just used it for that, it would already be an amazing tool. But again, you can build full scale apps and actually launch them as well. So here's where you can change some of the basic styling and everything. I did try to put some custom CSS in here that didn't really move it or make it wider. Again, that's something that I would want to ask them about. We can come in here and we can change the font over here. See if they have pop-ins. I usually use pop-ins. It's right over here, so it's in there twice. So we'll go over there and we'll just move that to pop-ins right there. We can change the colors, like right over here. If we wanted to change this, you could change the background color to any color you would like right there as well. But I do think it looks better with that kind of gray. Looks really, really good like that. And then you have your integrations right over here. Look, collect payments, Stripe. We can turn this on. You can actually connect your Stripe to this. They do need to add PayPal, which would be super cool, but you can connect Stripe over here. That's the same exact thing that Pickaxe was doing as well. So you can put a paywall behind your tool. So people actually have to pay to use your tool. And then again, you can integrate this to your website. You can actually come over here. Here's where you add your OpenAI key over here, your autoresponder. You can connect to your email accounts right over here, and your send automated email once someone signs up. And then here's how you connect your domain. So they actually have powerful integrations right there. Here's where you have this code, and that's where I was able to copy that code, the HTML code, and actually put it on my website right over here. So super, super cool. And then you can see at your results, how many people you have sign up, how many people are using the tool and everything. You can manage everything inside of the dashboard. So I'm gonna go back over here. Let's create a custom tool real quick. So you can actually come over here, use a template of 200 plus ready-made templates right over here, or you can create a custom tool. Let's see if we can do this. So the tool name is going to be Pinterest Pin Generator. And let's go and create this tool and upload a logo. Let's just leave that alone. So create new tool. We're not going to put a logo on it right now. So this is the cool part right over here. So we can actually come up here. We just have a drag and drop builder. We can do anything. We can go and add the title. We can add images. It's probably going to use images and so forth. Now I'm going to go and select GPT-4o. It's obviously selected image immediately. And what we're going to do right here is there's this 3 dots up here. We can click the 3 dots and we can say generate with AI. And this is the coolest part right here. So we can say you are a Pinterest marketing and SEO expert. Create a simple pin. Okay, so we just have something simple right over here. You can pause the video and read this prompt right over here. I was going to get even more technical, but I think I'm going to just leave it right there. The user should have the option to select if they want text on the pin or not. I don't know if the tool will be able to do that, but we'll go ahead and generate the tool. So now it's going to go out there and use this prompt to go out there and create our interface and create the tools and the lines that we need in the tool, and we'll see how it did. So we have our Pinterest pin generator right over here, create catchy and clickable Pinterest pins. I kind of don't know why we have, these 2 lines right over here. It kind of automatically does this. You may want to just delete the second line right there. So we have our keyword or phrase you're going to put in right here, include text on pin. So this is going to be, they automatically selected that you're just going to select a check mark box right there, which is actually really, really cool. So we can go and test all this. We can go and design what we want this to look like. So let's go and see, let's just go back into the builder and we'll test this out. So let's just say a large, happy dog. And we're going to say no on that. We're going to say test prompt Please check this box if you want to proceed. Okay, so include text on pin. I have that. We would have to fix that because right now it's actually it's a required field, so we need to take that off. So now we're going to say test. So we just want a large happy dog. Let's see what we can get from this. Okay, so I think I was confused on the way that I built this. It actually just created a prompt for us. So what we want to do is I'm gonna have to go and adjust this real quick because we want it to output an actual image. Okay, perfect. So we actually needed to just switch that to an image output, and then it created this image for us. One other thing that we need to do is we need to go back over here, and we do need to come back in here to generate with AI. We also need to say the output image needs to be a 9 by 16 size. And then we're going to generate the tool again. Okay, so let's go test this out again. So this is the part right over here that we definitely need to go and make sure that we select image right there. And then we're going to say large happy dog. Let's go test that prompt real quick. Include text on pin right here. I'm just going to uncheck that. We're going to test this twice real quick. So we have image right here, and then we have no selected right here. So we should get a pin with a large happy dog right over here. Okay, so that that definitely didn't work. And it also didn't create the 9 by 16 image right over here. One other thing I wanted to do was yeah, I don't know why top travel tips to Europe. I don't know why it did this for us right here, but that's just a sample output. So I don't know why it did that. So, okay, so what we're gonna do is image right there. We're gonna try something else over here. So let's just go in. All right, this time we're gonna actually select, choose yes or no. There's no yes or no right here. Okay, so I couldn't really get this to work other than that first time. It did do a good job at creating the dog, but as you can see, a little bit more work would need to be done with this. Let's go back over to home. Let's go back over to explore AI tools. Now what we could do is come over here and create something else. Let's do a custom AI course maker. Let's use this right over here. Let's just say AI course maker. And we'll just place that in right there. Obviously, you can upload a logo. We're going to create the tool real quick. And basically, it's going to give you a basic prompt over here. You're going to enter your course topic. You're going to define the target audience and then select the course length. So we're going to keep it right here. We have text. And what we're going to do is we're going to test this out. So the course topic, email marketing for beginners. This will be business owners, online business owners, online marketers, course creators. Select the course length, 1 week, 2 weeks, and a month. Let's just go with 1 week right here. And we will go and test this prompt real quick. Okay, perfect. So what do we have here? We have our course title, mastering email marketing, beginner's guide for business success. Course duration 1 week. So the course overview, this course is designed to equip business owners, online marketers, and course creators with the foundational skills and knowledge necessary to launch effective email marketing campaigns through a blend of theory and practical exercises, blah, blah, blah. Learning objectives, understand the fundamentals of email marketing, learn how to set clear goals of email marketing, develop skills to create and manage an email list, master the art of writing engaging email content, analyze, boom, boom, boom. So then now come up with module 1, introduction to email marketing. It's going to tell you what to go over with that. Module 2, setting goals and building strategy. Boom. Module 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it actually created, what I would do over here is maybe set the course length. I would maybe do something like how many modules, how many lessons do you want, right? Maybe we get clear about how many modules. And so this gives you a template, but you can actually make this better by dragging and dropping, options. You can drag and drop these onto the screen, right? Checkbox. You can go and build this out to be a better tool. You have the template, but you can build this out to be a better tool if you so choose to do that. But you can see right over here, it just gave us this large output right over here of 521 words right over here. We have our full course ready to go. Super, super cool. Let's go back. let's see what this would actually look like. If we go to share, you can copy this. We can go open up a new window, and this is what this one would look like right over here. Obviously, you're going to choose right there, select option, and you've got your different options, and then push generate. So really easy, simple tools. But like I said, this isn't any different than what some of these other tools are doing. But this one actually does give you a lot of customization. I do think it's pretty darn smooth. We're going to come back over here. And the last one I wanted to do was just come back over here to content creator and see what would happen if we did a 30-day Instagram type post. And let's just go and create this one last tool as an example. So it's going to say the AI prompt generate a 30-day Instagram content calendar for the topic, right? So someone's going to put in a topic, industry with content style. So you're going to have a different style. So informative, fun, inspirational, promotional. Now, if you wanted to do something, add something to this, you would just push the edit button. And this is where you have all these labels over here where you can actually add more options if you want to, do something different right over here. So we can go and test this out right over here. And so we would just say, so let's just say your market, you have an Instagram account about teaching plumbers or beginners how to be plumbers, right? So you're really coaching people into building a plumbing business. So plumbing for beginners, I thought I would use a different topic than like affiliate marketing or something like that, or software. So we come over here, we can say informative, fun, inspirational, promotional. So right here, we'd probably just do informative. And then we would go and test this prompt right over here. And so you can actually use this tool for yourself, or you could go out there and actually, sell this 30-day Instagram content plan tool, sell it for, $5 a month, something like that. You could build a suite of tools that you give access to people. That's what I would do, is build like 10 really cool, smooth tools that cater to your audience. Like, for example, if you're teaching people how to grow on YouTube, you could create 10 tools, like a title creation tool, a script creator tool, a thumbnail creator tool. You could create 5 to 10 tools that actually help people with YouTube marketing and building their YouTube channels. And then you could actually sell that access for like $15, $20 a month. And they could get access to all those tools. And you could, there's all kinds of different ways that you can use the paywall. You could actually use your own paywall and then just put all those tools on your site, and they have to have a login to your website, or you could use their paywall. If you're going to do that kind of idea, you probably need to create your own kind of paywall system. We have our 30-day Instagram content calendar. So day one, introduction to plumbing basics. Gives you your post idea, it gives you your captions, getting started with plumbing. Here are the essential tools every beginner needs. Boom. It has some hashtags right over there. You're obviously going to want to create some images and stuff, common plumbing terms explained. So you have a carousel with 5 slides. Understanding plumbing lingo is the first step. Swipe to learn the top 5 terms. So it gave us a full-blown 30-day content plan for plumbing. So again, this is White Labels. The link will be below. What do you guys think? Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.